Welcome to my fish room.
Okay, another flood. Okay, if you look there, you can see that. When I got here today, this is the place with that truly spectacular bar. When I got here today, water was dripping and dripping and dripping. You can see it all pooching the stuff. This floor was totally wet. So before I had to clean the fish tank, see the water came in and down that drain and down this drain. Okay? Now, some people take pictures of themselves. Yeah, there's some pictures. Okay, that's a normal amount of pictures. But, I don't know. Let's check, make sure we're not flooding the place. No, okay. This man takes lots of pictures. Those are all photo albums. Those are all photo albums. Those are all photo albums, photo albums, photo albums, photo albums, photo albums. Pictures that got wet. So I separated them all. See the bar? Yeah, this is a good bar. Yeah, that could be his new last name, Mr. Goodbar. But yeah, we had to interrupt our fish tank cleaning. If you're wondering why the water's so green, it's because, well, I put a bag of green in here every week. And then you can see where the algae is. I gotta get the other magnet and do it again. But, yeah, this is a truly spectacular flood. I haven't had one this spectacular for a while. Okay, I'm gonna use this magnet. You guys have seen my new mag float? Okay. Take a piece of PVC, heat it up and bend it. If you have access to a professional bending service like I do, it makes life ever so much easier, but most people don't have access to a professional bending service called J.J. Downs Industrial Plastics. Okay, we gotta turn the water off because otherwise we're gonna flood the place. Again, here's our RO system back here. So we mix up the water when we get here and we pump it across. The water's been running for a while. We'll let them sort that out. I just rescued things that had to be rescued. All those electrical cords, of course, were underwater. Just disconnect this so we don't get another floodage. Okay, so what you do is you get a slot, you get a nylon wing nut, a nylon bolt. I use a stainless steel metal washer, but of course stainless and stainless and stainless is different levels. Okay, now this is dangerous because you could cut your arm off. So you line it up so that it's even, and then you tighten it. Okay, so then you float it in the tank towards the other side, and then you run around here real quick. Oh crap. I was afraid that was going to happen. Oh man, why don't I take precautions if I think something's going to happen? Okay, take magnets apart, you just twist. Okay, let's do it again. Send it sailing. Run around. Okay. Gotta get it to turn. Okay, it's ready, it's ready. Okay, now I gotta get it so that that flap See, that flaps around on me. But see that algae there? Shaves your rat off. Shaves it. Smooth. Like baby's bottom. I have a kid. That's how I know. Well, I used to have a baby. Now he just whines a wee bit every now and again. In many ways, a 2-year-old and a 20-year-old are much the same. They both whine and they won't leave home. Well, I keep telling mine he's never allowed to leave me. He wants to leave me so bad. If he could find a job working for anybody else, he would. Okay, so see how handy dandy that works? Now these razor blades are 5 for $1.29. The mag float razor blades are like, well, the guy used to give them to me for 10 bucks and he knows me. And they're hard to get. These you can get at any discount variety store. You can pay 15 bucks for 10 of them at Shoppers Drug Mart. I just get the 5 for $1.29. I had trouble with the timer, it was staying on, that's why there's a little bit of algae in here. But, okay. So a flood and a mag float and a whole bunch of other stuff, and the coolest part, they're redoing the pool table too. Like, this is one nice basement. Big TV in there, couches, and a bar.